welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That'd be super cool and fantastic. I've got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to unbox with you. Ooh, that was bad. Please forgive me. That was terrible. Let's get in here. And I do have the prices for everything. They emailed me with the information. Herculean effort to get inside this bag. And everything is inside of this beautiful lavender bag that says, "You got this. You got this. Yeah, girl, you got this." Anyway, let's see what we have. We have a card. It says, "You got this. Sometimes you just need a reminder as the CEO of your world, girl, or boy, or non-binary. Embrace every challenge with confidence, from nailing your eyeliner, word, to acing your next project and watching yourself level up." Hell yeah. And then it's just got some looks to think about doing. It's worth nothing. It's worth nothing in there. So let's start with this first thing, which is the Signature Palette Symphony from Ofra. Ofra has really great quality cosmetics. And this is a $34 palette. And this is perfect for fall looks. And I will actually use this. And look at that highlighter in the middle. That is fantastic. What is the highlighter shade? So tiny. Blissful. Blissful. Aw. I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter right now. And just put a little moment on my cheek. Just a little moment of highlighter. It's a little dark. Don't tell. It's very festive. I like it. But these are gorgeous neutral colors with a little pop of like a rusty plum that I will look forward to using. So that's very cool. $34. $34. No hollers. Next we have from Dr. Lily Fan, Probiotic Lash Enhancer with patented peptide technology created by X-Lash. Not X-Lax, X-Lash. Peptide inventor, Dr. Lily Fan. Dr. Lily Fan. And, you know, you can always use a lash serum. And it's a beautiful package. It's very pretty. Let's see what the brush looks like. It looks like every other, let me put it like this, every other brush for every other lash activates enhancer. And that's very cool. Now, you're not gonna believe how much this is worth. Lash enhancers can get pretty pricey. This one is $68. $68, 70 bucks for that. So I'll give it a go. Now we have, speaking of lashes, from Araceli Beauty. It's a mascara. And I don't ever open the mascaras because I don't keep all of them and I don't want to start the aging process. Oh, it's got like a little embossed butterfly. That's really cool. Beautiful packaging, very luxurious. It's got a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. And it's the Monarch Mascara plus avocado oil. And that is $19. And I will be doing a giveaway very soon. I have some things picked out already. I'm looking forward to it. Then we have from Cover FX a gripping primer. And I have so much primer right now. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to start the aging process on that either. And it's a very nice size primer. This has a lot of primer in it. And Cover FX makes some great products. $38. I'm so glad I get this stuff in a subscription box so I don't have to like freak out because I'm spending all this money, because it all comes in here and it's such a good deal. Oh yeah, by the way, this is like $28 plus $2 in shipping and handling. So it makes it like 30 bucks for this, which is still a great deal. And then we have a Spongelle or Spongelle. I've heard it both ways. Spongelle, all-in-one beauty treatment, cinnamon and honey body wash, infused buffer, Esponge de corps infusé gel douche. Clean, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. Multi-use. So you can use it as a body wash, a buffer. It's dermatologic tested, whatever. Dermatologist tested it. Cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. These are pretty cool. But you can get them in, you know, especially if you get FabFitFun or BoxyCharm, you can get these for about $7 or $8. And the thing I wish that they had is like a little ribbon so I could hang it on my shower curtain so it wouldn't get all funky laying on the side of the tub. It smells really good. I love the smell of cinnamon and honey. But like I said, this is $16. But you can get them for much cheaper in Pop-Up or FabFitFun. So with this box today, or this bag, we got, you got this. We got the Spongelle. We got the primer. We got the lash serum. We got a beautiful palette. And we got a mascara. So that is really good. It's a well-rounded bag this month, and I'm very happy to have all of it. And I am grateful that my choices were pretty good this time. I hopefully will see you very soon. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you later. Bye.